Wondering how to convert your sole proprietorship into an LLC? Let's break it down. First off, what's an LLC, or limited liability company? It's a business entity you create by filing paperwork with the Secretary of State. So why choose an LLC over a sole proprietorship? The biggest reason is the protection it offers. With an LLC, your assets are protected if your business gets sued. As a sole proprietor, if you face a lawsuit, everything you own is at risk. However, with an LLC, only the money you've invested in the business is on the line. Another perk of an LLC is ownership flexibility. Limited liability companies can be owned by individuals, corporations, or even trusts. You can have a single-member LLC or a multi-member LLC with multiple owners. Management is also more flexible with an LLC. You can manage it yourself or appoint someone else to handle operations. Plus, when it comes to taxes, LLCs give you options. You can be taxed as a C Corp, S Corp, partnership, or disregarded entity, depending on what suits your business best. So, how do you make the switch from a sole proprietorship to an LLC? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. File articles of organization with your state Secretary of State to create your LLC. 2. Find a registered agent to handle legal documents. 3. Draft an operating agreement outlining how your LLC will be run. 4. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. 5. Open a new business bank account using your EIN. 6. Transfer your business assets from your sole proprietorship to your LLC with a bill of sale. 7. Update your contracts and stationery to reflect your new LLC status. 8. Notify clients and vendors that you're now an LLC. 9. Obtain any necessary business licenses at the state, county, or city level. 10. Pay your annual filing fees to the Secretary of State. Remember, it's crucial to keep your personal and business finances separate to avoid commingling funds. This helps build business credit and keeps your personal assets protected. Converting your sole proprietorship to an LLC may seem like a lot of work, but it offers significant legal and financial benefits. If you need help with the process, legalregistration.com is here for you. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For all your business needs, visit legalregistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.